Alright, here we go for the third time for your viewing pleasure. Yes, I just did 2 takes before this. We're gonna do a comparison through the Rossi. This is at about 7 yards or so, maybe 10. We got the Barnes hollow point vor-tx, and we've got the Winchester right there. We're gonna bust a water jug on each one, and we're gonna see what kind of expansion we get between the two, and take it back to the casa and see what we got on the difference. There you go. This is through the Rossi. All right, here we go. vor-tx first. That's how you clean up your target. You do the water last. All right, here we go. In, out, water jug. We're into the first pair of denim. We are stuck. The vor-tx is stuck in the first pair of denim. All right, here we go. Now for the Winchester. Well, I got a little splash on that one. All right, here we go. About the same with the water jug on the splittage between the two. If you're wondering that much. All right, I did change out because since those other jeans were wet, I put those in the back, so we had dry jeans up front, so it matches like the vor-tx. So these were dry. Let's see what we got. Okay, we are in the same position as the vor-tx. We are stuck in the first pair of jeans. Ooh, we got some gnarliness going on. That's interesting. So, just like the vor-tx, the Winchester went through the water, expanded, and stuck in the first pair of jeans. So they're so far on the penetration, they're pretty much even match. So we'll take them back to the table and compare expansion and some weight and see what we got. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have now brought back to the table with the vor-tx and the Winchester Super X jacketed hollow points. These are the vor-tx hollow points, both through the Rossi survival rifle at 7-10 yards. And we'll take a look. Let me get the, yeah, okay, here we go. That's what we ended up with. Definitely looks like jacket separation. I mean, that's just crazy how that got all twisted up. I mean, if you take a look at that, that's the jacketed hollow points from Winchester, the Super X 45 Colt. That's your vor-tx going on. And he just got definitely put his hair to the side on that one. Comb over. But there you go. That's what they're looking like as a difference. And we got, these were the little pieces that came off of the Winchester. Nothing broke off on the vor-tx. Let's get some dimensions, widest to widest. Again, artificial since we have no batteries. About 6'5" on the vor-tx. This is going to be a monster. Almost 8. About 7.7. Okay, so that's 200 grain, nothing lost, little gain. That's the on there. Let's go with the core. Lead 147.6. What is everything else by itself? Okay, that's 74.4. We throw that on there. 222. Wow, trip deuce at a 225. That's interesting with that all, the way it was all mangled and all together, because those broke off as I was taking it. All basically was one clump in the denim. It stayed together, so I mean that's interesting. Shredding up like that, wow, it's pretty neat. So there you go. You'll see on the penetration how far they went. I mean, this is, I mean, I like them both, to be honest. I mean, that's wreaking some havoc there. This is old reliable here. So it comes down to, I mean, really just pick whichever one you like, whichever one's cheaper, whichever one you can find. That is the winner. So there you go, and there you are. Thanks for watching.